Hey y'all, how are you? Today we're going to be playing doors. So we just gotta go in an elevator. Go into this girl's elevator. Go. One more person. Yes. They're all girls. Go. Okay. They all look like noobs. Kind of good at. I'm good at doors, but I have to be coin. I do it. Okay. Okay, Froggy, look at that. What's wrong with everyone's arms? Okay, y'all have to find everything. Do stuff. Usually it comes at door, I don't know. So you can find them. Maybe just see the light screen or something. See the cupboards too. What if they have something nice? Is that dupe? No. Okay. Nothing. And then it's starting to freak out. I don't know why. Can't find the key. I think she did it. Okay. It's not very open. No dupe. That's good. Not dupe. Girl, it's not dupe. What do you mean? Why you like English? Time is at hand. I hope she did not die. Go. Yes. There we go. I want something with the light. I got television out there. Don't have flashlight made on the fridge. Dude. Okay, good. Now y'all. Hi. Come. Don't want to avoid it. Oh my god. You got duped? Are you okay? Oh my god. Just. I don't want to be Jack. And there's a. Oh gosh. Bruh. No one's going down. Also, I want to save enough money to get the skeletons. Oh, but I think she wanted a key. We're trying to key. Where you going? Oh, I think we're gonna get coins. Okay. Oh no. Let's go. Destroy this 19. 10 more doors to beat. Why is there a shark for me? Okay. Where does he sleep at? Who are the other guys? dude, you didn't get the better stuff. Yeah. So this is gonna get the best stuff. Oh gosh. Here we go. Okay, so when the season started, that was early. Oh gosh. It's a fake alarm. Where's one? Dude, I have died. Here. Let's go. Wait. Okay, let me see, guys. No! Wait, oh gosh. Girl, you gotta be more careful. You can't have the good stuff. Now it's my turn. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm ready. Now let's ready. Run! Run! Oh gosh! My heart. There's no. Oh my god. It's freezing. I really have to take off. Okay, now this is gonna be another. Oh gosh. Let's do this again. Wow. Bro, no hold! I'm stuck at hold. I suck at hold. Never died to hold again. As you run, it may appear in front of you at any time. When it does, turn around and keep running. This process will repeat multiple times. Are you serious? Just gonna see them, I guess. Oh my god. Dude. I'm not a pro. I'm pro at Rush or Speed Figure. But I'm not good at hold or eyes. I'm not good at eyes. I always see them. Okay, go. The guy didn't hold. Who's the other girl? Oh, she's like right there. Okay, that's what she's. Oh, your friends. These are the sweeties. Maybe just PK. Okay. You got this. You got this. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, wow, so yeah, okay, so we all know that figure cannot see, but he has so much good healing. Figure best healing in history. So like if you run, he would like fall everywhere. Also don't open fire. Can't have he has a really good healing. And there's also some like good hiding space. You see that bacon section, you can hide there. Or like you have to do the ending. So like if you go in a what do you call these cupboards and there's no so you have to do a hard one. So if you use that figure will get you if you learn that you don't. But there's too many but before we go nothing can hide here. The way she died? Girl died! Dude! Circle. Like use this one for the I don't know how to do code. I don't know how to do the code, but I would go. Why did she die? She's so sad. She has no one to help her. So, how do you think she El Gablino? And I said Bob, and I said Jeff. I think you got the paper too. Wait, you got the paper, and now write the code. Then you open it. Okay, so you got I don't know what she you got a square, she got a star, she got a diamond, she got an X, she got a circle, she got a triangle. Oh gosh, go. Yes. Hola, El Gablino, no, she got a crucifix. Oh my god, she made the crucifix on eyes. Are you serious? But did she really use them on eye? Like, where? Do. I'm gonna play again. That was a bit awkward. I have 85 It's gonna get up stuff and stuff here. Okay, good. Let's go. Let's Let's go. The froggy girl. I'm just gonna call her froggy girl. Her name is 1, 2, 3, baby. I'm just gonna call her froggy girl. I'm sorry, froggy girl. From my video. Just I don't want to call you that freaking name. I'm sorry if I said something weird about your name, but it's so This is 5. So you have to keep remembering the name. Maybe move myself. So right now it's 5. Oh gosh, find the key. Oh gosh. Okay. Like, why can't we pick up the pencil? Like, the... Okay. Wow, I hope Timothy does not kill me. I hate Timothy. I hate spiders. Actually, everyone hates spiders. Oh my god, bruh! Wow. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Got the key, girl? Get the key? There is gonna be a key. Where's the key? Oh, okay. There's a guiding light. Julie, where is she? Okay. Let's go. So, that was room 6. 6. Oh gosh. Go to the room. Wait. Hey, yo! I think we're still gonna come in room 10. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, a candle. Okay. No, I just died to rock. No, Why? Oh, again. She was a very nice. Oh my gosh. I think she's collecting my stuff. Slave. Girl slave. Oh gosh, girl. So I forgot what to do with that. That's 18. That's 19. Hey, right there. Right there. Why did you get the key? See what other stuff is there. Just wasting your time getting the key. Oh yeah, that's getting on this other kind of okay. What kind of painting is that? Somehow the lights are becoming red. I don't know why. Wait, how? How could I like to brush? Brush is the most easiest entity. Dude, she made me die. She made me die. Oh no, oh no. That was my life. Bye. Later. Okay guys, please make sure to like and subscribe.